This is Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to craft an autumn corn husk and acorn wreath. Here's what you'll need. 1 package of corn husks, a 14-inch wire wreath form, a 14-inch foam wreath form, scissors, felt in fall colors, an embroidery needle and embroidery thread in fall colors, craft glue, green floral wire, acorn tops, felt balls in fall colors, a hot glue gun, and tacks or ball point pins. Click onto the Home Jelly link in the comments below for links to purchase these items. Here's what you do. Print out, then cut out the downloadable leaf template. Create a cardstock template to make tracing several leaves onto your felt much easier and accurate. Next, trace and cut out felt leaves. For each complete leaf, you'll want to cut out 2 large leaves and 1 smaller inside leaf. You'll want to make a minimum of 8 complete leaves. Place the small leaf onto 1 large leaf, then embroider the leaf veins. Use a straight stitch to create the lines of the veins. See the downloadable template for ideas. Now, don't worry if the embroidery stitches are not perfect. It looks more charming and homemade if they aren't. Now cut a 3.5 piece of floral wire. Add glue to the non-embroidered leaf. Place the wire on top, then press the embroidered leaf to finish. Using a glue gun, glue acorn caps to felt balls. Now, cut a 1 3/4 inch piece of floral wire. Then, using your embroidery needle, poke a hole in your felt ball about 3/4 deep. Dip the wire into craft glue or hot glue and insert into the felt ball. Allow to dry. Now, wrap your foam wreath form with corn husks, then pin into place. Be sure to tear your husks longwise so they fit snugly. Continue to wrap until you can no longer see any foam. Set aside. Next, cut and hot glue corn husks to your wire wreath form. Simply start from the outside in. Take each corn husk piece, fold over the bottom, add glue, then wrap around each wire. Overlap as well as you can so when you're finished, you don't see any wire. For an artsy effect, shred the corn husks. Take each piece and tear it like a ribbon, about 1/4 inch for each section. When you're finished, you can use a scissors to curl it or do it by hand. Glue the foam wreath form to the wire form. Dab a good amount of hot glue to 4 points on the wire wreath. Then press the foam form onto it. Add extra glue where needed. Insert the leaves and acorns onto the foam. Be creative. Use as many leaves and acorns as you wish. Now add your hanging wire. Fish a 10-inch piece of floral wire through the back of the wire wreath. Twist to create a loop. This final step is optional. Add a centered decorative hanging hook. Just poke it through the foam form. Then you can hang items like decorative acorns, Halloween decorations, or make a 2-sided felt leaf. See the free downloadable leaf template for the extra hanging leaf template. You did it! For more detailed instructions, go to our website. If you'd like to check out more of our doable DIY projects, follow us on Instagram or Pinterest. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.